Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now...
Oh my god!
Hey guys, it's Blaize. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a demo and review and first impression on the Juvia's Place Festival palette. I asked for Juvia's Place for Christmas and my best friend Brittany actually got it for me. I didn't really care what palette it was. I just want to try Juvia's Place because I've heard so many good things about them. I've been wanting to try them for over a year now, but she got me the Festival palette, which has it is beautifully colorful. Look at how beautiful. I will insert swatches in this video. I'm just gonna let you know right now that I'm going to pronounce probably all of these wrong, and there's no, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I don't know how you pronounce some of these. So I don't really know what look I'm gonna be going for with this. I want to use every single color, but I know like I can't use every, well I can, but wouldn't be a good idea. But I'm going to start out with the shade Manawu. It is this shade right here, and we are going to start putting that in the crease right here. So it is like an orangey, like clementine kind of color. Beautiful color, and blending is very, very easy. Very, very blendable. So I am a fan of that so far. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Ophala right here, which is just like a bright orangey shade right there. And we're going to put that on top of where we put the last shadow. Ooh, these are pigmented. Yes. I'm gonna take this shade Ophala or something, and I'm actually gonna drag it out a little bit like that. And oh, look, I'm using my handheld off camera, so like I said, it's gonna take me a while to not use that. I'm just gonna take it above my crease quite a bit too and blend it out up there. I want this to be kind of a dramatic look. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade Izafa. It is just this beautiful straight red, and I'm gonna put that on top of everything and focus more on the outer parts with this one and go a little bit into the outer portion of my lid. Not fully, but somewhat. I'm so professional. These shadows blend effortlessly. Like, I've never seen shadows blend as well as these do so far. So when I've heard all the hype about how pigmented and how blendable they were, they're right. Go and pick up some Juvia's Place palettes. I'm gonna take my NYX Milk pencil right here, and I don't know if you'd necessarily call this cutting the crease, but I'm laying this down so my next shade could pop a lot, because I want it to pop a lot. That sounds like a toy. Pop a lot. Okay, I think I'm gonna be a little daring and go in with ABBA right here, this shimmery turquoisey color right here, and we're gonna pop that right here. Oh Lord, that is once again very pigmented. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, beach! Guys, this is seriously one of my favorite looks of all time, and I'm not even done, but holy ballsack. Now I'm gonna take Yuli, this shimmery white, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner and drag it down like so, up, using my mirror again. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Oh my goddess. These shadows are gorgeous. I'm gonna take Uli again and just use that as a brow bone highlight right here. Oh, Is it possible to like be like sexually attracted to makeup products? Because I think I am. Is anybody else out there? Is it just me? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape that we used. And ooh, so this is what we're looking like so far. Just take a clean, fluffy brush and mix these two, or blend these two together in the center. So it's not sharp, it's actually blended looking, so it looks a little nicer. Instead of just like one sharp line dividing the two colors. I'm gonna put on my liquid liner and line my waterline, and I'll be right back. So then I'm gonna take the shade Kaliki right here. It's like a shimmery, like gunmetal kind of color, and I'm going to smudge that on the lower lash line and smoke out the lower lash line with it. Ooh, pretty. So off camera, I just did my mascara, and on my lips, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lippy in Naked, and on top of that, I have the Essence XXL Shine Lip Gloss in Glamour to Go on my lips. Final thoughts on this. 5 Wicked Little Devils. If it could be a million Wicked Little Devils, I would give it a million Wicked Little Devils. I love these shadows, the way they perform. They are pigmented. They blend so fast and so beautifully. These are some of the, probably the best shadows I've ever worked with in my life. It just was so simple, and the colors are just gorgeous. This is probably my favorite colorful eye look that I've ever done, and I'm just in love with this. These aren't cheap, but they aren't expensive either. They run between, I think their highest palette is $25 or something like that. But they're having massive sales since the holidays, so there is that. They're not, I believe Juvia's Place is an indie brand, so you are supporting an indie brand, but go ahead. I will leave a link to this down in the description box if you want to go and check it out and buy it for yourself. I love this palette so much. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching this video. And if you liked it, please make sure to give me a big ol' thumbs up to let me know, and make sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are, and I always have at least one free monthly giveaway going on. This month I have 3. You still have time to enter all 3, so make sure you go ahead and do that. So I will see you soon, and until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.